Hi again, Marcy here from Quick Start Piano, where adults learn by playing the music they love most. And a lot of us really love Christmas music. So we're going to look today at The Little Drummer Boy, and it will be coming out of this book here called Christmas Songs in the Super Easy Songbook series. And here is the ordering information for that. If you don't have the book, no problem. You can just follow along. I will walk you through how to do the melody and how to do the left-hand chords. All right, Little Drummer Boy. This song is in the key of G, and it only uses 3 chords, yay. And I think it sounds best on this one because we're used to hearing this drone on the bottom. It sounds best if you use these open chord shells without the middle note, and you move back and forth between the home bass positions. So we'll have G, C, and D. And if you want, I guess you could fill in those, but we're used to hearing them without. So if you want to just play the accompaniment, all you need is a nice steady beat. Come, they told me, and just all the way through, and whenever you see a chord change, just keep it nice and steady. Okay, but we are going to show you how to play the melody with your right hand. So what we're going to do is start off in G position. So your thumb will be on G. A, B, 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 C, B, C, B. And then almost the same thing. A newborn king to see, pa-rum, pum, pum, pum. Now we're going to move your thumb to the A. Our finest gifts we bring, pa-rum, pum, 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 to lay before the king. And you notice what I did there is we hit this D 3 times in a row, and I have a 4th finger, and I'm going to switch to the 3rd before I'm done so that I have enough fingers to get that F. So 4, 4, 3. Pum, pum. And now we're going to switch your 5th finger to E, and then 5th finger. So you start off here, 5th finger, move your 5th finger down, and then 5th finger down. And then that puts us back where we started. Okay, so let's see what this might look like. You can make an introduction, just make a steady drumming kind of drone sound. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have an idea or a request for a tutorial that you would like to see, maybe a favorite tune or a certain aspect of music that you would like to see demonstrated, drop me a note in the comments. I'll see what I can do.